Illinois election officials voted today to keep former President Donald Trump on the state's primary ballot.
WGN Shannon Halligan has details on that decision and what lawyers say they plan to do next. Shannon.
Yeah, the former president cheered the decision in a post on his social media network today, but attorneys who objected to Trump's eligibility said this is far from over.
A unanimous decision Tuesday by the Illinois Election Board.
Yes. Motion passes.
Former President Donald Trump will remain on the ballot in Illinois. Attorneys representing voters who objected to Trump's presence on the ballot argued the former president was not eligible.
That the candidate, Mr. Trump, knowingly and voluntarily engaged in an insurrection to prevent the peaceful transfer of power for the office of the presidency, which transfer is provided for in the United States Constitution.
Trump's attorneys urged the board not to get involved, saying the former president never engaged in insurrection, but that wasn't something the board could determine.
Most of the states where objections like this have been made have declined, and it will need two places, Colorado and Maine, have agreed to have concluded that they have the jurisdiction to hear this issue.
The 8-member board agreed with a recommendation from its lawyer to let Trump remain on the ballot. The reason being that they did not have the authority to determine whether he violated the U.S. Constitution.
I'd like to make a statement before I rule on this. I want it to be clear that this Republican believes that there was an insurrection on January 6th. There's no doubt in my mind that he manipulated, instigated, aided, and abetted an insurrection on January 6th. However, having said that, it is not my place to rule on that today.
Dozens of other cases have been filed across the country seeking to bar Trump from the presidency under Section 3 of the 14th Amendment. But the Colorado case is the only one that succeeded in court. Many other courts and election officials have ducked the issue, something attorneys say happened again Tuesday.
What's happened here is an avoidance of a hot potato issue. And I get the desire to do it, but the law doesn't allow you to duck when a serious matter like this comes before you.
Attorneys fighting the ballot issue said they will file an appeal to the Circuit Court of Cook County. This all comes 1 week before the U.S. Supreme Court is expected to hear arguments regarding Trump's eligibility. Ryan, Micah.
Thank you, Shannon.